Hi buddies, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to do a cheap stationery haul, and yeah, if this video gets 700 likes then I am going to make another haul video, and in that video I am going to give away any one stationery item to any one of you. So like this video and also subscribe to my channel. So now without wasting much time, let's get started. Let's go. So the first thing we have is this multi-purpose organizer, and its cost is 164 rupees. So it has so many blocks and you can store so many things. So it's a good product. So the next thing we have are these waterproof stickers, and their price is 251 rupees. I know that they are more than 250 rupees, but I really want to try them. And you can easily paste them on your laptop, on your water bottle, or anywhere you want to paste them. And you can see that their adhesive is also super strong. So the next thing we have is this unicorn shaped diary, and its price is 99 rupees. So one of you recommend me to buy this product and here I am. And buddies, its pages are also so thick and it's so cute also. Next product we have is this Cello Power Highlighter, and its price is 85 rupees. And in a pack total 10 pieces came. Now let's test their pigments also. So buddies, you can see that their pigmentation is so good and there are no traces behind the paper also. So the next thing we have are these Cello Fine Grip Ball pens, and its price is 114 rupees. In a pack total 25 pens came. So now let's just test this pen also. So buddies, this pen works so good and it is smooth also. So the next thing we have are these eraser, and their price is 90 rupees. Now let's see how these eraser works. So buddies, these eraser also work so good and they didn't even produce so much dust. Next product we have is this Color Candy Graphite pencils, and its cost is 75 rupees, and in a box total 30 pencils came. It also came with a sharpener and an eraser. Now let's see how these pencil works. So buddies, this pencil works so good and it is smooth also. So now let's just do some shading and erase it with its eraser. Its eraser also works so good. Next product we have is this Doms watercolor pens, and its price is 88 rupees and it comes with 24 sheets. Now let's just see their pigments also. So buddies, you can see the pigmentation, they work so good and they are smooth also. So this product is so good. Next product we have is this cute unicorn diary, and its price is 40 rupees, and it also comes with a cute little pen. So buddies, the pages of notebook are printed and they are kind of thin. Now let's see how the pen works. So you can see that this pen doesn't work that well, and what can we expect in 40 rupees? So in 40 rupees this product is kind of worthy. So the next product we have are these pouches, and each pouch worth rupees 10, and in 10 rupees these pouches are so good. And these pouches have so much space that you can easily fill your stuff in it. Next product we have are these paper tape, and its cost is 40 rupees. Next product we have are these emoji erasers, and their price is 45 rupees. The best part which I love about these erasers are that you can easily remove their parts, and after that you can easily assemble them also. Now let's test this eraser also. So these eraser works, but while erasing its parts start getting disassembled, and I really don't want to use this eraser in erasing as they are so cute. So the next product we have are these fabric tapes, and their price is 20 rupees each. And buddies, I really don't know that in what thing I'm going to use them, but I really love them. Next product we have are these shiny ribbons, and their price is 20 rupees each. Next product we have are these glue drops, and their price is 10 rupees each. So it comes with 12 sheets each. Now let's see how this works. So as I can't find anything else, now we are going to paste these ice cream sticks together. So we have to just place our glue drops like this, and then we have to place our another ice cream stick over it, and here it is, our ice cream sticks together. So the next product we have are these wax crayons, and its price is 10 rupees, and it comes with 12 shades. So this product works so good, as you can see the pigments. Next product we have are these cute Shin Chan and unicorn PVC keychains, and their price is 20 rupees each. So if you are a Shin Chan lover, then let me know in the comments. And I know that most of you are unicorn lovers. If yes, then also let me know in the comments. Next product we have are these glitter tapes, and their price is 40 rupees. Next product we have is this Mickey Mouse stickers, and its price is 30 rupees. Now we have these heart shaped stone stickers, and its price is 20 rupees. Now one more stone sticker, and its price is 20 rupees. Next product we have is this pack of sticky notes, and its price is 30 rupees, and it comes with 100 sheets. our last but not least product is this unicorn pen, and it comes with light and its price is only 20 rupees. First let me turn off the lights. Perfect. Now let's see. So you can see that it looks so pretty and so cool. Now let's see how it works. So you can see that it's gel pen and it works so smoothly and it's so cool. So for me this product is so good. So that's all about today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to buy anything from this video, then link is in description. You can buy them from there. And follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is creative_letsbe. So go and follow me there also. Till next video. Bye.